Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over what I think is the #1 free thumbnail editing software online. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss out on another one of my videos. Make sure you hit the like button and comment down below what you thought of the video. This video might be a little short because I'm a little short on time and I have to go do my job, but with that said, let's get into the video. So the name of the software that I believe is the #1 free thumbnail editing software for YouTube is PIXLR. So I'm going to be linking the website down below, so if you want to use this, make sure to check that out. But anyway, I think it's the #1 software because it is it's very much like Photoshop, except it's just free, so it doesn't have enough a lot of stuff and doesn't have enough features, a lot of features, but it is still very good if you don't want to buy Photoshop or something like that. And its interface is almost exactly like Photoshop, and it has all the tools you need to make a thumbnail. Every single thumbnail on my channel is used by PIXLR, so if you guys want to see, like, I'm kind of experienced with it, I know how to use it, so if you guys want to kind of see like what it's like, go look at my thumbnails on the channel and maybe you can see if you want to use it or not. Also, my thumbnail not my thumbnail, but my profile picture and my banner are both made by PIXLR. So if you guys, those are probably my best two I've ever done. So if you guys want to see probably the max capabilities of them, check out my banner. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a banner and how to do thumbnail and profile picture, so make sure to stick around on the channel for that. If you guys want to learn how to grow on YouTube, make sure to check out the videos down below in the description. Make sure to check out the video on the screen now. But with that said, see you guys later.